First and foremost, New York actually saw greater VC investment volumes than San Francisco, the city of San Francisco, last year. The other key thing really is talent. The fact that New York has access to international talent, it's on the east coast of the US, it can tap into Europe. And when you're looking at major tech occupiers where they're looking to base themselves, they need access to a deep and resilient talent pool, and I think New York really offers that.
It's really is true. And the fact that the venture capital money flowed more to New York than to San Francisco really caught my eye. And I was thinking, is this a one-off anomaly, Paul, or does there, in the past number, I think this is your third annual survey, have there been trends to show this is going this way and may continue this way?
You're seeing diversification across the US and across the world, and what our program really picked out is cities that are rising on a global stage, small cities in particular. So if you look at Europe, cities like Copenhagen, Stockholm, over to Tel Aviv, for example, that are actually seeing lots of investment and rising on the global stage in that search for international talent.
The other surprising thing, aside from New York taking the top spot, was that for the first time ever in your report, 5 mainland Chinese cities also made the top 30. Obviously, we know about Shenzhen and some of these tech hubs. What else is surprising about China? And more importantly, Paul, where is the money going there?
So China is rising quickly on a global stage. It is very much a domestic tech environment, but actually looking at the VC investment globally, China now takes a higher share than the US. Where's that money going? There are a number of key cities: Beijing, Shanghai, Hangzhou, home to Alibaba, Shenzhen, as you mentioned, Chengdu in central China. And each city has its own advantages, and it's really sort of excelling in the digital age. And a lot of that is also access to talent, a huge domestic workforce and rising numbers of STEM graduates as well, for example.
Yeah, and STEM is very, very important. I noticed, Latin America just had 2. I was a little surprised to see Sydney, Australia not on the list, Melbourne there as well. It really appears that globally we're clustering. We've got North America, we've got the UK and small parts of Europe, but really it's the UK, and then of course we have China. Are we starting to see, I guess, 3 kind of major, sort of regional tech hubs, not just cities, but sort of, countrywide?
Yeah. I mean, so, clusters aside, we're seeing, I guess, it's English language. That's the common denominator here. So if you look at where the tech hubs are in Europe, it is cities or countries where English is also widely spoken. And actually going back to South America, a lot of that is cities where there are sort of vibrant cafe cultures, vibrant social scenes. Again, it's where the young tech talent is migrating to and looking for a place to live and work and build their careers.